Forget everything you think you know about Vietnamese food. While everyone talks about pho, these two dishes stole the show for me. One sizzles on a flame iron plate, and the other brings pure charcoal smoke and fresh herbs. Today I'm taking you on my absolute two favorite meals in Vietnam. One in Ho Chi Minh City and the other in Hanoi.
That fire is sizzling. On the way. We're about to sit down here and have some food. Maybe we sit inside. We're gonna go inside over here, man, and get a seat somewhere. Can I sit here? Over there on that side? Uh-oh. We're in the way, y'all. Let's check it out. Once again, y'all, we got these real small seats right here. This one won't tip me over though, like the last one. Thank you. First thing came out, y'all, is this bread. I don't know if I want to call it a baguette, but it's a piece of bread, man. That's first thing out. Well, I guess we're gonna do some dipping with it. Yo, that food just came out and it is absolutely sizzling. I'm feeling it on my leg right now, y'all. Check this out. It looks so good, so tasty, so delicious. I have to move that, it is so hot. Look at this, man. We're about to go into this. Onions, steak. It looked like some type of potted meat right there. Look like a hot dog there. You have that sunny side up egg, which I'm liking it to cook a little bit more for me. It looks like some parsley on there. Really simple. Yeah, we got to figure out what that is. But what is this meat here? You know, you didn't eat yours. It's like a potted type of like a pate or something like that.
Yeah, like a pate.
Yeah. All right, y'all, let's get it. The first thing I'm gonna do is taste this beef. Oh, the flavor of that beef is delicious. I'm gonna mix this egg around a little bit, just so it'll like cook up a little bit more, y'all, because I don't really want my egg too raw. Y'all have seen me eat the sunny side up before, but let's do it like that, just to get it on that hot plate some more, and do it like a scrambled egg. Look at that stuff. Look at that beef, onions, that little hot dog right there. Let's get it. I'm gonna put some of the beef in there, some of the egg, some of the onion, some of the egg and onion. Let's check it out. You know what I'm happy about? I am so happy that beef is tender, y'all. That beef is very tender. And before this falls on the table again, yeah, I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat this hot dog. It's like one of the monsters where their mouth open up into 4 different pieces. That is definitely a pork hot dog. It tastes good. Interesting. Really smooth, creamy texture. It tastes a cross between, what's the little hot dogs called that come in the can? Those hot dogs and I don't know what. Yes, thank you. One more. Yes. I don't know. What's the name? Potted meat. Potted. Yes, potted. Pork. Yes, that's potted pork, y'all. It's delicious. It's good. Oh, what's those sausages called? Vienna sausage and Spam. It's like a cross between Vienna sausage and Spam. All right, y'all, the total was 89,000 dong. We'll put that up, what that is in US dollar up there. I thought it was excellent. Scale of 1 to 10, I'll probably give it an 8. It was really good. The flavor was good. The meat was tender. I mean, they barbecue it right there. They make everything right here. Yo, they even be rolling at the nighttime. I need y'all to know this. I'm going back there to eat. I'm not filming it, but I am hungry. I don't see the fire flaming right now. I'm about to go up in there, yo. I'm hungry again. I want that egg and that beef.
You may not believe this, but I went to this place 3 more times before I left the area.
1, 2. Bún Chả Price 50K. Oh, they showing me the sign, y'all. I don't want to get hit. Careful, man. Ah, okay. Thank you. And there it is with that broth, y'all. This is the second time I got that Bún Chả pork on the grilled pork. And my hands aren't that clean, but we gotta do. Well, wait a minute. I got some hand sanitizer.
Next, we're changing gears completely. Most people head to the famous tourist spots for Bún Chả, but I found the local neighborhood joint that blows them out of the water. Smoky grilled pork meatballs, sweet and savory broth, and endless fresh herbs.
Garlic. Red chili pepper. Put that back in there. Spicy. Okay, as you guys know, I went to the Obama Anthony Bourdain Bún Chả spot also, and I gave that a 10. But I'm thinking this spot that I just left, man, same flavor, same deliciousness. I gotta give them a 10. And it was delicious. And those rolls were delicious before they were the seafood rolls. But the rolls that I just had just now were also delicious. I dipped them in that broth, man. Absolutely brilliant. I'm a happy camper. That was the first thing I ate today, too. I had coffee this morning at the coffee shop, and then I went to the Bún Chả spot, you know? So that's how it was. All right, I'm going on now. I'm going back in the house because I'm old. I need some relaxation. Oh, I got food in my teeth. I'm a happy camper, y'all. Look at this around us. Look where I'm at. I just came from that way, y'all. And this is the waterfront. There's a lot of people out here working out in the morning. FYI. They have this thing here. Maybe I'll walk over there before I leave. Oh, that's like a Wait a minute, is that a... Get back. That's like a golf range. They putting balls into the water. Get back. That's why they had that blocked off. I guess the balls afloat and they have them all contained in there. Get back. Interesting. All right, y'all. I'm about to walk. My hotel is right down the street here. Look, y'all. That's like a putting range. It's a driving range. That's what they call it, right? I don't play golf, y'all. That's a driving range right there. Get back. That's why I was wondering what those green barriers were. I was wondering what those nets were. I thought it had something to do with fishing. It has something to do with driving a golf ball. They even have like, it look like floating grass, right? Where they can hit, maybe do a hole in one. I'm not sure. But tell me they're not over there driving. That's crazy. That's all a part of that hotel there. Gucci. Good Gucci. That right there is the temple that we walked at earlier over there. The pagoda. That's the pagoda. Over 1,500 years old. And that right there. All of this is Hanoi, man. Hanoi is a big town. Very big, very big. Like Rump would say. Reverend Rump. Rump. Oh my God. Go ahead, Grandma, ride that scooter. I'm happy as a lark right now, y'all. And if y'all don't know what a lark is, it's a bird. Happy as a bird. Look at this spot right here, y'all. This is a coffee spot. I had to come here and get some coffee one day. This is too cool, man. I knew I heard somebody talking. Let me get on a little bit of sidewalk that they do have. We out here, y'all. What is this, a food spot or coffee? Oh, here's another cafe back here, man. That's pretty cool. It's Monte Cafe. I had to come check them out. Like they got waffle. There's the doggy right there. Just past the barber shop. That's it, man. Moonlight, Tahoe is my hotel. About to go in. I should go up to the rooftop, huh? Maybe we should end this video. We should end this video off upstairs. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. That's my lobby up there, y'all, my hotel lobby. Let's go upstairs. You know, I just ran into this really, really beautiful woman from South Africa. She looked like she's Vietnamese too, but she says she's from South Africa. Absolutely beautiful woman. Anyway, we're going upstairs. That Bún Chả was 80,000 dong. The Bún Chả, the rolls, and a bottle of water. We'll put the price here. Okay, y'all, I'm just getting off on the rooftop here of the hotel. They have a little garden. I think I want to go on this side first. All right, let's go check out the garden. Uh-oh, that's locked. Can I open it? I guess I'm okay to open it. Oh, it's not much out here. Maybe I should have went that way. It's like, can you walk on those rocks? I'm not doing that. Nice view from up here, though. I was thinking about bringing my drone up here earlier, but it's not that much room. I guess I could land it here. But, this is the rooftop, man. Interesting, really interesting up here. Yeah, this is cool. Once again, there's the temple down there. That's the temple right there. The pagoda.
We up here, y'all.